Hi, my name is Beth with Best of Storytime. If you're new to my channel, thanks for dropping in and welcome. Today's subject, I wanted to talk about the DJI Mavic Air 2 and how to put the propellers in the correct way. If you're like me, you opened up the box, you were so excited, you put everything together and found a whole ridiculous amount of problems. And this being one of the problems is that I couldn't really truly understand the instructions that DJI itself or even some of the content on YouTube on how to put this propeller in correctly. I just kept getting an error saying the propellers are wrong. So it was completely irritating and I just wanted to help you guys out. So let's get into it. As they should have done, they should have labeled this Propeller A and Propeller B. Let me show you what the difference is. Propeller A has this silver ring around it. So when you first open the box, you're definitely going to see this, plenty of it, and you're thinking, okay, those are all the propellers and anything else is extra. No, that's what I couldn't figure out for the life of me. So this is going to go here, and this is Propeller B. The difference is, what you're not seeing is there's no silver thing on the top. This is what was tripping me up. There's no little silver ring. And watch how it matches up on the DJI Mavic drone itself. So if you see here, it's black. Here on the sides. On this one, the difference is it is silver on this side. And that's how you match it up. I could not understand that. What you want to do is you want to take Propeller A, and how this works is on the back here. You see these two prongs? That's what's going to go into the holes that I just showed you. So let's move this over a little bit. And you're going to see here these two holes. So this is where you're going to push it down and you're going to slide it underneath that silvery part. You want to take the prongs, you want to push it down and move this circle here underneath and slide it underneath. There you go. So that's Propeller A, that's on. Let's do it for Propeller B. So once again, these two prongs here, no silver, just black, same thing on here. You want to push it down into these two holes, push down, and slide it over. There you go. And now you have the propellers working it on. So also keep in mind how it's supposed to go in the front and the back. So it's going to be on opposite sides. Do you see this? And this is Propeller B. This and this is Propeller A. So they need to be on the opposite sides of each other in order for it to take off and go. I hope this video helps you get to the sky much faster. If it does, I would appreciate a like. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below, and of course any comments. Make sure to check out my promotional videos, especially the ones that I do on the Mavic Air.